Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to create a password generator. So first of all I'm going to start off, I'm going to import the random module here. Okay, import, and then I'm going to import the time module, and now I'm going to create a list. In fact, I'll just put that back up there, called new password. Okay, so this is going to be the list. Once we've generated the password, we're basically going to save it into that list. Okay, so now we're going to create a little function, generate random password. Okay, so this is the generate random password here. We're going to use uppercase characters here, so we're going to throw in some uppercase characters that we can use here. Okay, so that's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so those are the uppercase characters that we're going to use. Now we're going to use some lowercase, L case here, which equals L case. So again, we're going to use A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so those are the lowercase. And now we're going to use some numbers, so I just call it nums for short here, so nums. We're just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a 0 there. And we're just going to use some symbols, SYB, shorten that symbols. So we've got lots and lots of symbols that we can use here. So for example, we're going to use something like that, percent, up, something like that, asterisk. Let's have a look. What else can I use? Something like that, question mark, full stop, etc. I think that'll be enough, because we're going to mix them in when we create our random password. Okay, so the password string, we call it pass string here. This is the password string. It's going to be equal to characters from uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols, and we're going to join them all together. So we're going to use ucase plus lcase plus numbers plus numbers, and we're going to use plus symbols. Okay, so the length of the password, we're going to type into the input box and say if we want a password that's 5 characters, 6 characters, 7 characters, etc, etc, etc. So I'm going to call it length pass, or the length of the password is equal to int, because we're going to be typing in a number here, which is an integer. Input, and then simply enter length. Enter the length here. So we'll just type in whether we want it 5 characters, 10 characters, or whatever in there. Right, okay, so now we're going to go on to the password itself. So the password here is equal to, and we're going to join it together using join here. So we're going to join it together like that, and then we're going to use random, so it's going to select a random.sample here, because this is a random password that we'll be generating. So that's going to be from the password string, which is going to be here. A typo there, which is going to be there, and the length of the password. Okay, now we're going to print out the message to the user and the password that we've just generated. So that's going to be generated password is, spit out the generated password there. Okay, right. Okay, so this should do that. So let's just save that here. Let's just call it generate random password. Generate random password there. Okay. Right. Enter the length. Okay, I'm going to say 5 characters. Okay, that's the length I want. Okay, we seem to have got an error here, so let's just check this out, shall we? Okay, folks, very simple issue here. I put random, so it's a typo. It should be random. Okay, let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay, so there we go. Enter the length. I'm going to say 8. Okay, and there we go. Generated password, and that's your generated password there.